All God in Hindu religion, Lord Shiva is coolest one, apart from being simplest, and most powerful. In fact his personality described is nothing sort of a superhero who know what he is doing. Here are 5 interesting facts about Lord Shiva which will make you his devotee and fan forever. Before we start, let me throw a short disclaimer. All the information in this video are based on articles published online and Hindu mythology, which does not intend to harm anyone's religious faiths and beliefs. Now let's begin. Number 5. Lord Shiva is the simplest of all lords. He can fulfill any wish of his devotee. That's why he is known as Bholanath. His devotees include kings, slaves, demons, tantric, aghuris. Well, anyone can worship him at any time. No restrictions at all. Number 4. He has compassion for all beings, including animals. This is why he is called Pashupatinath. Number 3. He smokes pot and doesn't mind if his devotee do the same. From ashes of dead bodies to weed, one can offer him anything. Furthermore, Tantric sees him as god of sex. He is okay with everything. Number 2. Though he is most powerful and called as destroyer, but he rarely gets angry. Mythology says last such occasion came when his beloved wife, Sati, died. Well, he is not only a powerful, quiet and simple leader, but also a devoted husband who loved his wife like no one else in this universe. Number 1. Lord Shiva always stayed in shadows while his wife is worshipped as Shakti, Durga, or Kali, all symbolizing women power. These are enough reasons not only to become a Shiva devotee but also a fan of Lord Shiva.